It's the liftoff day today. The Proba-3 will launch from the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota at 4:04 p.m. It was slated to take place yesterday but was postponed today to after an anomaly was detected. So why exactly is this so exciting? Well, we'll tell you. The aim of this mission, which is a double spacecraft mission, is to essentially create a solar eclipse on demand. What this will do is help us understand the solar dynamics and space weather to a much greater degree. Because solar eclipses usually occur every 18 months on Earth, but these two spacecrafts called the coronagraph and the occulter will create solar eclipses which will help them study the sun's outer atmosphere. It's a collaboration between the ISRO's Europe Space Agency and the NSIL. My colleague Dharani is joining me live right now to get us more details. Dharani, just almost an hour from now, we are going to be seeing the liftoff. Take us through the excitement that is there at the Satish Dhawan Stadium for that matter. Take us also through what exactly is going to be expected.
Initially, the launch was scheduled yesterday around 4:10 p.m. But after the detection of an anomaly, now it has been rescheduled to 4:04 p.m. today. So around 30 to 35 minutes from now, the launch will happen from the first launch pad of the Satish Dhawan Space Center here in Sriharikota. In fact, this mission has two key objectives. One is to establish formation flying in precision, and the second is to study the outer atmosphere of the sun in detail, that is the corona. The outer atmosphere of the sun is called corona, and this mission's main primary objective is to come up with detailed analysis and observations about the outer atmosphere of the sun, that is the corona. In fact, this is a collaboration between the European Space Agency and the Indian Space Research Organization. The Proba-3 spacecraft belongs to the European Space Agency, and ISRO from India is facilitating the launch of this spacecraft into space with the PSLV C59. So, in fact, this collaboration between ESA and ISRO is happening almost 2 decades later. So this is also a very key moment for the partnership between these two space agencies. So as far as this mission is concerned, at the time of the launch, the two key components from this spacecraft Proba-3, that is the coronagraph and the occulter, they'll be launched together in a stacked configuration. But after they reach the initial orbital conditions, these two components, the coronagraph and the occulter, they'll start flying 150 meters apart from each other in tandem, so that the occulter could block out the solar disk of the sun, thereby allowing the coronagraph to make the detailed observations, of the outer atmosphere of the sun as intended. This is the whole process that is going to play out. Let's wait and see how the mission is going to go in the upcoming hours. But for the time being, all the top scientists from the ESA and ISRO, they are assembled here at the Sriharikota launch, near the launch pad to see the launch.
Okay. Absolutely, Dharani. It's going to be a historic collaboration, and the takeoff, like you've mentioned, is going to happen anytime for half an hour from now. And we will keep coming back to you to get us all the sense from the ground and the excitement amongst the people to see this liftoff. Thank you.